What's going on, you guys? I'm making this video really quick just to clarify something that I mentioned in the comparison video of the new Sony WF-1000XM4 earbuds against the AirPods Pro and the Bose Quiet Comfort. And something that I said in the video is that only the WF-1000XM4s and the AirPods Pro support independent use, meaning that you can use either the left or the right earbud independently. So you can listen to one while the other remains inside of the charging case. And that is the case, but there is one step that you might have to do to make it work on the WF-1000XM4. So I'm just making this video really quick to clarify that, because I did have somebody leave a comment, and I guess they actually bought the WF-1000XM4 earbuds and took them back because they thought that you couldn't use them independently. So basically, once you get them paired up, so let me take these out of here, get them paired up to my phone. So basically, while that's pairing, what it is, if you have the voice assistant on your phone activated, it will not work. So basically, if you have the voice assistant activated, only the right earbud can be used independently, which sucks. I mean, I guess if you use the voice assistant pretty often, for you that sucks basically. But for me, I pretty much never use the voice assistant feature on any earbuds. It's just not for me. So when I paired mine up and got them connected, that's why I didn't have any issues. So what you want to do, you want to go into the Sony app, and in here on the, what is it, the system tab right there, you got three different tabs. You got status, if my camera will focus, you got status, sound, and system. It's trying to focus on my finger. But anyway, where it says voice assistant, you want to have that selected on do not use. So that's what mine is set to. So let's go ahead. All right, so the earbuds are playing right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. Anyway, I'm going to take the right earbud, put it in the case, close the case. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but the left one's still playing. So that one's still playing. Let's go ahead and take the right one back out. So yeah, that one's still playing too. So now they're both playing. Now let's go ahead and put the left one back in the case. All right, it paused for a second, but it's still playing, if you guys can hear it. So yeah, that's what it is. I mean, for 300 bucks, it's kind of stupid to have to do that to be able to use them independently, but it is kind of a workaround if that's something that's very important to you. So I know there's a ton of videos being uploaded about the WF-1000XM4 since they just came out, but here's another one added to the list. But I figure some of you guys are going to have this question. Like I said, somebody commented specifically asking this question, so I went ahead and made this video. So anyway, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Stay tuned, more videos on the way.